lupaukset pettävät, tiedänhän sen. Välittänyt en, olin onnellinen. Muistoasi säilytän vuosien taas. Iltahetkeni se kauan.
I feel good because the films are made to be seen, of course. It's nice that. And I have this tiny little reaction that, bloody hell, I'm not totally forgotten yet. Even if I should be. It's nice, but I'm totally allergic for. Really, allergic for festivals. I really like to see. I read the catalogue of this festival and see. They're really showing films. I mean, they're showing cinema, and they've forgotten the red carpet, which is a killer of cinema.
Soi Yyterin. Se tuli hiekalle silloin aamukin.
Vai niin?
Ja
Enpä ole aseeton minäkin.
Tai ensin kuuli, kun päivä koitti, se meri soitti.
I think they are murder against cinema, the big festival. I think it's ruining cinema. I made a big mistake by ever going to. First 10 years I said no, never competition, never ever. But since I'm my own producer, the devil was on my shoulder, and I thought, okay, maybe I can sell it better there, which I couldn't. In fact, I saw the same outside of competitions as a producer, which was important because nobody would buy a Finnish film in those days. So I had to do something to be shown somewhere, but I couldn't see any difference if I was outside of, if I was in Berlin Forum. It was much better. The audience was much better because the audience in red carpet is coming there to show their clothes, and in Berlin Forum people are coming there to see a film. And I think it's really on the Cannes Salmon, so there's no price, there's no destruction of cinema. I don't really think I'm going to make maybe one or two, but it's getting complicated because of the digitalization of cinema, and I want to die with my boots on.
Well, I wonder, yes I wonder.
Never watched them ever, any. I checked the first print technically, and that's it. I could start now because now years have passed, so I could give some mercy for them. But problem is that I only see the mistakes. I couldn't enjoy them. I see the mistake. Bloody hell! Why did I do that? Why? Shut it! Amateur, bloody idiot. That's all you see if you're serious with your work. You only see the mistakes, so it's torture.
Niin kauan kun vereni lämmin on, mä muistan sinua.
Nothing changed. I think I'm still the same liar I was acting in my own screenplay in 79 or 80. I made Crime and Punishment, and then I noticed that even if it's a serious Dostoevsky story, you shouldn't forget humor. So I took humor in right away. Life is intolerable without humor. It's intolerable with humor too. Jean-Luc Godard said in his craziest days that the chair you are sitting in is political. For me, it's just a chair. It prevents me from falling to the earth. But in these days when the world, our society is going to the drain by Das Kapital, I think you can't make a film which is not partly political. It should be a bit, because otherwise we only have entertainment and nobody's laughing.
Avec les cœurs ainsi que les enfants se jouent de leurs poupées légères pour mieux les abîmer sous les doigts triomphants dès qu'ils ont.
I think we are living the end of the universe as in the way we know it. Europe is just a slight shade of a whiter shade of pale, but I think the problem is much bigger. Das Kapital took over, and we are in serious shit, and I can't see any reaction to prevent that. Not the banks, the computer in the upstairs of the banks, because the inhumanity of the computer in the 5th floor of the banks. Juho, have you seen Match Factory Girl? Have you seen Crime and Punishment? Have you seen... Half of my films don't give any hope. Every second does.
Lähdit pois, jäin ilman suojaa, ilman syytä hymyilyyn. Vielä ootan viestin tuojaa, jolta toivon saisin syyn. Sä mitä pyydät, sen mä teen.
I know I built them all. Well, the cliché saying that I'm best what happened to cinema since Godard, that's true. That was a joke. Which is true. I can't hide for 30 years, so I smoke a lot and drink a lot, and I like people, and I'm partly human. And I'm a very fast filmmaker, faster than anybody, especially faster than Jim Jarmusch. That's our private joke. I call him Mr. Slow. It's no country for old men. Now, of course, everybody. When I was 20, I was immortal, as everybody. Still in my 40s, I was immortal. I'm not fear of death, I'm wishing for it. But not yet.